Okay, here is our first question. An electromagnetic wave passing through vacuum is described by the equations. Okay, so E is equal to E naught sine kx minus omega t and B is equal to B naught sine kx minus omega t. Then, so which are the in this given option, which is the right answer? Okay, so here they have given these two relations, and we also know the relation between electric field and magnetic field, that is E naught is equal to C into B naught, or this can be written as E naught divided by B naught is equal to C. Okay, but we know that velocity of light C is equal to nu into lambda, or frequency into lambda. Okay, so frequency is given by omega by 2 pi into lambda, and now we can write omega divided by 2 pi. This I am going to take here down, so this is nothing but omega divided by k, correct? Because we know that k is equal to 2 pi by lambda. Okay, this the property I have used here. It means C is equal to omega by k. This already we know, because in this synopsis we have discussed this. Okay, this is nothing but E naught by P naught. It means we can say that cross multiplication, we can say E naught k is equal to B naught omega. So which is the right answer? Option A is the right answer. Okay, so next we'll go to the next question, right? So this is first one. Now we'll go to the second one. Okay, so this second one we have like this. Question is like this: the amplitude of electric field of a plane electromagnetic wave in air is 6.0 into 10 power minus 4 volt per meter. The amplitude of magnetic field will be, okay, so it means we have to find the B naught. Okay, E naught they have given and we have to find B naught. So we know that B naught is equal to E naught divided by C. Very simple. E naught they have given 6.0 into 10 power minus 4 divided by 3 into 10 power 8. So this 3 ones are 3 2s are 2 into 10 power minus 12. So option is what? Option D is the right answer. Okay, because here minus 4 is there and here it is 8 is there. So when go to the numerator, that will become minus 4 and minus 8, that is minus 12. So that is the right answer. Option D is the right answer. Okay, so next we have next question. It's like this. Okay, so a plane electromagnetic wave propagating in x direction has wavelength of 6.0 millimeter. The electric field in the y direction and its maximum amplitude is 33 volt per meter. The equation for electric field as a function of x and t is, okay, so very important question. We have to find electric field, equation for electric field that we know. Okay, that is basically Ey is equal to E naught. In synopsis we have discussed this. E naught omega into t minus x by c. How this came? Well, we know this because in this see, look at the given options. They have given like this, like if you take omega t and this is what x by c. Okay, so based on this we have simplified this, because we know that if I take omega inside, that is E naught into sine omega t minus omega x by c. Okay, omega is what? Here omega is fine, but here omega is what? 2 pi, okay, by c. Okay, so we can see this, sine, this is 2 pi, okay, this let it be as it is. But here how this c, how this is actually kx, but how this came? Omega c. Okay, we'll see 2 pi f by c into x. Okay, 2 pi f, instead of 2 pi f what I'll write is omega t minus 2 pi c by f into x. Okay, c by f is what? Nothing but lambda, right? Because we know basic formulas, f is equal to c by lambda. Okay, lambda is equal to c by f. Okay, so if I write lambda, 2 pi by lambda is k, so e naught sine omega t minus kx. So general formula, so you can write this. Okay, so this is the way we can write. So now but we have to find the omega value, so that we'll get any one of the option here. So how to get omega value? We know that omega is equal to 2 pi f, that is 2 pi f is nothing but c by lambda. Okay, so that is 2 pi into 3 into 10 power 8 divided by lambda value they have given, wavelength 6 millimeter. Okay, so this is what 3 into 2 is 6 by 6 is 1, so pi into 10 power, so if this minus 3 goes up, then it is 11 radian per second. Okay, pi. Now if you substitute this value, pi omega value here in this equation, we get E is equal to E naught sine, okay, omega value is pi into 10 power 11, okay, into t minus xy. But what about E naught value? E naught value is 33. Okay, that is 33 sine pi into 10 power 11 t minus x by c. So what is the option? Option B is the right answer. Okay, because pi is everywhere, but into 10 power 11 is there and 33 is there. Here is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. Hope you got this. Next we have the question number 4. If c is the velocity of light, which of the following is correct? Okay, so this is very easy question. Okay, because we know the standard formula, c is equal to 1 by root of mu naught into c naught. So here you just square it on both sides, that is c square divided by mu naught by c naught. So this is what is which is the correct answer now? So if you take this implies mu naught into c epsilon naught is equal to 1 by c square. So option D is the right answer. Okay, fine, option D is the right answer. Now we have next question. The velocity of electromagnetic wave is parallel to, so easily you can answer, that is option B is the right answer. Okay, so velocity will be parallel to the electric field, the cross product of electric field and magnetic field. Okay, so that you know. So now we'll go to the next question. Okay, so which okay, the waves used by artificial satellite for the communication purpose is, your options are like A microwave, B infrared, C radio and X-rays. So easily you can answer if you know the properties of all the electromagnetic wave. So basically the application of microwave, it is used in artificial satellite for the communication purpose. Okay, our next question is like this. Question number 7. Electromagnetic radiation of highest frequency is. Okay, so you should know this. We know generally we can write like this, starting from gamma rays, next we have X-rays, okay, then we have UV, next we have IR, sorry, UV admire visible, then we have IR, then we have okay, that is infrared, microwave and radio wave. Okay, so here the main thing here, you know, frequency will be maximum for gamma, and as we go like this it will be reducing. Okay, because frequency here almost it is 10 power 18 to 10 power 22 will be there, but here radio is approximately can write 10 power 4 to 10 power 8. In between it will vary. It means as we go from left to right, this will decrease, means Gamma is the highest frequency. I am telling about frequency. But if you go with the wavelength, okay, that will be reverse. So this will be least here, okay, this will be maximum here, okay. But if you go with the frequency is maximum with the gamma ray, and it will keep on reducing when you go to the words radio wave. So here highest frequency means here we have gamma ray. So this is option B is the right answer, okay. So next we'll go to the next problem. A plane electromagnetic wave, okay, and the equation is given. Ez is equal to 100 cos 6 into 10 power 8 t plus 4x, okay, volt per meter. Then propagates in a medium. The refractive index of the medium is, okay. So this is 7th question. Now we'll find the 8th question. You have to find n athva or mu, okay. So we know the answer, n is equal to c by v, okay. But do you have v here? How to find v? That is important, okay. C anyway you can easily write this, that is 3 into 10 power 8. But what about v? For that you have to look the equations carefully. So what they have given is E is equal to 100 cos 6 into 10 power 8 t plus 4x. So this can be comparable with this equation 100. This is 100 cos omega t plus kx, correct. So what is here, you can make a note, omega is equal to 6 into 10 power 8 and k is equal to 4, okay. And we know that c or v, velocity v is equal to omega by k. So 6 by 4 into 10 power 8 is there. So 4 by 6 is 3 by 2 into 10 power 8. Let it be as it is. Now we have to find n, right? So n is equal to c by v. C is 3 into 10 power 8 divided by 3 by 2 into 10 power 8. So 3 get cancelled. Finally 2 is the answer. And we don't have unit. This also get cancelled. N refractive index n is equal to 2. So option B is the right answer. Okay. Okay. So now we'll move on to the next question. The RMS value of electric field of light coming from sun is 720. It means electric field ERMS or E naught is 720 Newton per Coulomb. Okay, now the total average energy density of the electromagnetic wave is, okay. So in synopsis we discussed about energy density equation, okay. So we are going to utilize the same thing here, okay, to solve this. So they have given E value 720 Newton per Coulomb, okay. We have to find the average density or every energy density, that is U into UAV, okay, energy density UAV. So that you know there are two formulas, epsilon naught into E square or UAV is equal to, we can write using this formula also, you can solve. But see in the question they have given only about E, not about B. So we'll not go with this, we'll go with this equation, okay. So UAV is equal to epsilon naught into E square. So that is 8.85 into 10 power minus 12 into 720 whole square. Okay, this is a very big number. Quickly we have to do it. Okay, because we had without calculator we should solve. 720 into 720. Okay, 0 into 0, 0. 2 into 0, 2 into 4, 2 to the 4, 2 4s, 2 7s are 14, okay. Then 7 to 0, 7 to the 14 and carry, 7 7s are 14 and 50, okay. This is 0 0 4 8 1 5. So this is the value we have, okay. Now I am going to write it in terms of power, okay. 1 2 3 4 5. So I'll write 5.184 into 10 power 5, okay. Substitute the same thing here. So that is 8.85 into 10 power minus 12 into 5.184 into 10 power 5, okay. So this and this again we have to multiply, but before that we'll take this consideration. Okay, so 10 power minus 12 plus 5, that is minus 7. Okay, now if you do some approximation, it is 8.8 and it is 5.2. okay, so 5 into 8 is almost how much? 5 is a 40, but here we have 8.8 and 5.1218, so approximately it will be more than 40, 42 or 45, like that only. So it may be 43 or 44 or 45 will take. Okay, so you can now in this kind of situation you can look at the options. We have 3.3 here, it 4.5, 81 and 6. So obviously if it is okay, 8 into 5, you know, 40, it is quite a little bit more than 40. So in the option it is 45 is there, 4.5 is there, here getting 45, but 10 power minus 6 is there, here 10 power minus 7 is there. It means 4.5 into 10 power minus 6. So that is the answer. Option B is the right answer. So this is how you can calculate without calculator easily. Fine. Okay, now we'll go to the next question. So the question is like this: the crystal structure can be studied by using. Okay, this is very simple answer. So X-ray crystallography is very particular chapter in higher studies. So X-ray is very important. So X-ray, using X-ray you can study crystal structure. Okay, crystallography, the very one more branch is there about that. So X-ray is the answer. Now we'll go to the next question. Okay, so ratio of energy of photon of wavelength 3000 Armstrong to that of photon having 6000 Armstrong. So they have given two values. Okay, lambda 1 is equal to 3000 Armstrong and lambda 2 is equal to 6000 Armstrong. We have to find the ratio of energies. Okay, energy E1 by E2. Okay, but we know that energy E is equal to h nu or hc by lambda, correct? It means E is proportional to 1 by lambda. So it means if it is E1, this will be lambda 1, E2 proportional to 1 by lambda 2. So we can write here E1 by E2 is equal to lambda 2 by lambda 1. So lambda 2 is 6000, lambda 1 is 3000 Armstrong get cancelled, this also get cancelled. So 2 is the answer. Okay, 2 by 1, it means 2:1 is the answer. So option B is the right answer. Okay, moving to the next question, we have the question like this: an electromagnetic wave propagating along north direction. Okay, electromagnetic wave, you know, okay, both are perpendicular to each other. So moving along north has its electric field vector upwards. Okay, so now we'll see like this: north, south, east and west, correct? So here moving along the north direction it seems. Okay, and electric field upwards means it's going like this wave. Okay, obviously, okay, we'll see like this, it's going like this. Okay, but a magnetic field vector towards which point they are asking. Okay, obviously if the electric field is in this direction, for that the magnetic field will be perpendicular. Okay, so wave is going like this means perpendicularly it is going like this. So obviously it is towards east direction, so in this direction. So option B is the right answer. East is the right answer. Okay, so we'll move to the next question now, the last question. Okay, so which of the following is not electromagnetic wave in nature? So obviously we have X-rays are electromagnetic, you know, gamma rays electromagnetic, infrared also electromagnetic, but cathode rays are not electromagnetic. You may feel very easy question, but believe me, this also sometimes it can be asked in CET, because most of the times it was asked. Very silly, but sometimes people will get confused with the things. Okay, that's why it is also important. Don't neglect this kind of question also. Okay, thank you.